Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your RC car by Nintendo Labo. First step, start the application with the RC car, and then as you can see on the left and the right side, there are two buttons. One is for right turn and the other is for left turn. You have this switch between or on the left and on the right side to make how much the automatic vibration will go. So this means in the center there is a screen. This screen you are able to see in the darkness, or you can see lights or the heat feed. If you like the easy mode, press the button on this area. This is easy mode, only right, left, and one with the strength of the signal. The two parts have to be locked into the RC car, and as you can see now, the RC car is driving. In the expert version, it's the same, but this then you can use the front screen, the front camera. With this you can make automatically driving skills to your RC car. You can make, as you can see, the self driving skill and all about this. There it is. You can see the hand in front, and it is a heat camera. This is no camera. There's the heat camera, no camera, and this is the darkness camera. Yeah. In this case, you can use these signs with this label on top, and your RC car will go automatically to this light with the button on the right side for automatic drive. As you can see now, we push it, and then the RC car is finding the way until it has contact with the sign. Easy going. So you can make so many creative roads, so many creative tracks to drive with your RC car automatically. Yeah, vibration rocked. Nice going, easy. Wow, this is awesome. The signs are included into the package what Nintendo Labo is delivered to you home. You only need the Switch extra. And there is a two-player mode I will show you. The two-player mode is the left button, and now you are able to make a race with two RC cars, because the second RC car is included in the box too. But in this case, you will need two Joy-Cons more. You need 4 Joy-Cons, 2 right and 2 left Joy-Cons, and then you are able to make delicious races with this little cutie RC cars. Yeah, this is awesome. This is RC car driving with some vibrations on the bottom side. Wow, this is creative, really nice. And as you can see, it works like you race at your own in the basic mode. In the middle are the strength signal switches, and on the right and the left side there are the Joy-Con right and Joy-Con left. Easy going. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.